Alright everyone, welcome to my guide on how to install Cardconjurer locally on your computer. It's going to be a very quick, simple guide. It's very easy to do, assuming you don't run into any technical issues. But yeah, I'm just going to kind of show you how I have it installed, how to do it, and a couple of the other methods, but I'm just not going to go too into detail with the other methods. Mainly I'm just doing the basic version just so anyone can pretty much access it, since it's way simpler to install than the other options. So the first thing you'll end up doing though is you're gonna just want to type in how to run Cardconjurer or how to run Cardconjurer locally. It's gonna be this link right here. It's a Reddit post. Once that pulls up, just go ahead and click on it. And then what you're looking for in here, what we're going to be doing today, is going to be the simple launcher. You can install it via Docker and this method as well, the WAMP. I've done this method and I currently use this one. I've never tried Docker. It was a little more confusing, so I just didn't want to mess with it. It doesn't seem like it would be crazy difficult to actually do, but this is going to be the most up-to-date version. If you want to use this version, I just recommend following this guide as best you can. I won't have any troubleshooting or assistance with this since I don't have this version installed. I'm just going to be showing you how to install this version, the most basic one. So to do that, all you need to do is click on this link, and once it loads, just click on this green code icon and you're going to click download zip. Now it is a couple gigs, so it's pretty big. It's going to take a little while. Once the file is done, you'll just want to extract it somewhere on your computer. I have it in my D drive, and then once it's done, it's going to look like this. Mine's a little bit smaller than 2 gigs, I guess. But yeah, once it's extracted, you just double click on it. You scroll down. You're looking for this launcher application. The only thing you really need to do with this whole thing, if you're not changing anything, is just grab this launcher, and I recommend doing show more options and then sending to desktop as a shortcut. You don't have to do this. I just do it because I make proxies a lot and it's way easier than going into this file to find it. So totally optional, but again, I just put it on my desktop so it's easy to access. And then when you're ready to get started, all you have to do is double click on this launcher here. I have mine on the desktop, so I'm just going to double click that, and then you're going to see this pop up. This is going to be your local version of Cardconjurer, and you're also going to see this pop up as well, this localhost program. Now there may be way more text in it, just depends. Since I already loaded mine, it didn't have to load everything again. But yeah, when you see it the first time, it's probably going to have more text in there. Now I do want to point one thing out that sometimes happens with this method. I don't know the fix for it, or I mean I don't know the cause of it, I just know the fix. Sometimes you'll double click that icon, it'll load this, but all the frames in here will be blank, like you won't be able to actually see any frames. If this happens, all you have to do is exit out of this, exit out of the Cardconjurer program, double click your launcher again, let it reload, and it should fix it. For whatever reason, that happens to me quite often, and I've heard it happens to other people. That's only if it does, but that should fix it every time. And then yeah, from there you're all set. You should have Cardconjurer installed. It's going to be up to date of the Ring frames, so the only thing with this version is you're missing out on that really cool Japanese, the Japanese showcase one where it's like there's barely any framework. There's also like Fallout and a few other things. So if those frames are ones that you would really want to work with, you can always get the Docker installation. This will cover you up to the Ring for showcase, but I mean there's definitely plenty of frames in here to be able to make some really cool proxies, and I haven't had any issues with just the ones that I've had access to. So just thought I'd throw that out there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Should be able to get that installed. And again, if you want to try the other methods, just make sure you follow their instructions. They're very clear and precise. So alrighty, thanks for watching.